Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in an Onyx Black. This one is powered by a 3.0-liter Duramax diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our Jet Black interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with our Kalahari accents and our AT4 badge up top. If we take a look at the stitching and follow it all the way down to the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. And of course, inside we have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Further on in, we have our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our volume scroll wheel here up top left. And down below, we have our dual climate control zones. To the left of that, we have our push-to-start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Down below, we have our park sensors, some additional storage, 2 cup holders, our USB-C and USB charge port, our shifter, trailer brake controls, and inside our middle console, if you take a look, we do have our wireless charging pad, our USB-C and USB charge port, AC outlet, and plenty of storage inside. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at our driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that, we do have our power adjustable side mirror controls. We also have our AT4 badge here right beside that, and by our handles, we have our power locks and our seat memory settings. Down below, we have our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. Moving along to the windshield here, we do have our heads-up display. And of course, back on the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here. On the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our forward collision alert and our heated steering wheel. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside a rear view camera. Up top, we have our digital rear view display that you can turn on and off with a flick of a switch. Up top, we have our universal home garage opener, and of course, our power controls for our lovely sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our jet black interior, leather heated seats on both sides with plenty of space and leg room. In the middle, you'll find our seat controls, as well as our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat, there is cubbies with extra storage. Speaking of storage, we also have some cubbies inside the seats itself, as well as underneath. In the middle, we have our cup holders, and of course, our rear power sliding window. Checking out the exterior here on the AT4, we do have our GMC badge in the middle with our front-facing camera and our grille, AT4 badge on the side, and red tow hooks at the bottom. We have our LED headlights and fog lamps, and moving along down to the tires here, we do have our 20-inch rims on our Goodyear tires, the CarbonPro Duramax Turbo-Diesel badge there on the side, AT4 badge on the driver's side door, keyless entry like I mentioned earlier, tint in the rear windows. Moving along to the back here, we do have our corner assist steps. Of course, we have our dual chrome exhaust and our spare tire underneath. This vehicle does come equipped with a MultiPro Tailgate. If you want the first half down, just press the top button. It'll come down no problem, hands-free. This can turn into a step when needed. And if you'd like the entire tailgate, just press the second button and it'll come down no problem to lead you to our spray-on bed liner and of course our 120 volt outlet here. And that is the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in an Onyx Black. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help any questions you may have.